Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. First of all, I would like to wish all my viewers Happy New Year in advance. Well, in today's video, we are going to see a delicious chicken breast recipe, which is spinach and cheese stuffed chicken breast, which can be enjoyed during this holiday season with your family and friends. So let's get started. So for my recipe, I'll be using 2 chicken breast pieces. And now with the help of a sharp knife, I will slice the breast pieces carefully to form pockets. But be careful not to slice it fully. So in this way we need to slice and make pockets, and now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes some black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and some paprika as per taste. Now rub these seasonings well on the top portion, inside as well as back side of the breast pieces. And we will let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to prepare the stuffing. For that, take a bowl, and into it I'm going to add here 2 tablespoons of cheese spread. Then goes around 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, some chopped spinach, a small bowl of cheddar cheese along with some shredded mozzarella cheese. Then goes half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix everything well. The stuffing which I am making is for 2 to 3 chicken breast. So if you are using more than 3 chicken breasts, then increase the proportion and quantity accordingly. And our creamy spinach and cheese stuffing is ready. Now generously fill the stuffing in the pockets which we have made in the chicken breast pieces. Spread the stuffing evenly. Now scrape off the extra from the edges. Alright, stuffing is done. Now with the help of toothpicks, we need to seal the edges. Otherwise, when we fry them, the stuffing will come out and it will be messy then. Sealing is done, and now time to fry the chicken breast pieces. For that, heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Rub the butter on all the sides of the pan, and when the butter melts completely, place the chicken breast very carefully into the pan, and on medium flame we need to fry them till they turn golden brown. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip the chicken breast pieces and we will fry the other side also. which will take another 2 to 3 minutes. So by now our chicken breasts are fried golden brown. You can see the cheese has melted and it looks yum. I'll take them off now and keep them aside in a plate. Next, I'm going to prepare a tomato onion sauce to form the base of our chicken breast. For that, you will need 4 to 5 medium tomatoes roughly chopped, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 large onion roughly chopped, and 4 to 5 large garlic pods roughly chopped. Now in the same pan, add the chopped garlic and the onions, and on medium to high flame we will saute them till they turn slight golden brown. Now add the chopped tomatoes, and we will saute them for a while. And now we will quickly season them with half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Next goes 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. I'll add some water now and then cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flame. It's more than 20 minutes by now. The onions and tomatoes have become soft. I will slightly press them. And our sauce is ready now, so I will turn off the flame. Next, take an oven safe dish and grease it with some olive oil, spreading it evenly with the help of a brush. Now pour the tomato onion sauce in the baking dish to form the base. And on top of this sauce, gently place the stuffed and fried chicken breast. Pour some sauce on top of the chicken breast pieces. This will keep the chicken breast pieces juicy when we bake them in the oven. Now add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. And we need to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And our stuffed chicken breast is ready. It took 20 minutes in the oven to bake, and now I'm going to serve them. And here goes the second one. I'll garnish with some chopped fresh parsley on top. You can also use chopped basil if you want. But before serving, don't forget to remove all the toothpicks. Believe me friends, this stuffed chicken breast is too good. I will show the inside of the chicken breast. You can see how creamy and cheesy it is. So friends, I hope you will try this yummy stuffed chicken breast recipe. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, and wishing all my viewers once again a very happy new year.